Hello everyone, welcome back. iOS 15.7.7 is out now for iPhone 6s series. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 15.7.7 is not showing under download and install or download and install grayed out and all these problems like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap on VPN and device management. Now check the list. If there is any beta profile, then tap on the beta profile and remove the beta profile to get the stable version of iOS. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then do the following steps as well. Settings, general, tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. Here we have to do one more thing, charge your battery up to 80%, then tap on battery and disable low power mode. We have to launch settings again, tap on general and tap background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. Next thing that we have to do, settings, general, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Now we have to go to settings and refresh the Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds, turn on back, then back to settings, tap on general and tap software update and your update is ready to download. Here we go. Now tap download and install to get stable version of iOS for iPhone 6s. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.